The back bumper of our camper van conversion was in pretty rough condition after years of being a work van. It had plenty of the usual cracks and scuffs as you would expect. Rather than replacing the bumper for a hefty cost, we decided to repair it. I initially melted the cracks to fuse these back together using a soldering iron.
Hands look so tanned.
Then sanded any high spots on the bumper. After that, I applied some plastic filler to all the marks and scrapes.
For some reason, she thought it would be a good idea to have a double sweep of pre-workout and mix it with Monster.
This filler is flexible to allow for movement in the bumper.
Are you done with that sander?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I applied a layer of this and then sanded it down using a random orbital sander, repeating this until the desired finish was achieved. Stand on as well, isn't This wasn't perfect, but it was a lot better than it previously was, when the bumper of the van was really letting down the overall finish. With the repairs done, it required paint. I initially used some special plastic bumper paint, but I wasn't happy with the finish of this because it was a different finish on the filler than it was on the bumper. So I decided to use some plastidip to coat the whole bumper, as I knew this would cover all of the areas the same in a coating rather than soaking into the bumper. After about 5 coats of plastidip, the bumper was complete and looking so much better, and now it wasn't noticeably letting the van down. In the next video, I'll be roller painting the roof, so make sure you keep an eye out for that one. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.